So hey guys, this is the reading for the Earth element Taurus to go Capricorn. Let's see what will be happen on your July month. Let's see for your overall love life and career. Let's see what will be happen on your July month. Let's see what kind of changes you are going to be get in this July month. Okay. Okay, I have already get the 2 cards. No, I get 3 cards. Okay, so before taking the reading itself, I have been understand that I will be get the full card over here. Yes, so absolutely, I just get a full card. Okay, Son of Swords. Okay guys, I think some kind of actions you guys will definitely take, and some kind of renewal, some kind of a good movement will be there, and some kind of positive changes will also become in your life. Let's see what the cards we have been get for you for the July month. Malika of Coins, so we get a Queen of Pentacles, we get a Seven of Swords, okay, and we get the Fool. So, and the bottom of the deck we get the Knight of Swords. I think some kind of actions you will be get, and and you will be get some kind of clarity. I think somebody have been cheated you on the past. Either it could be on your career state or whatever the situation. Okay, so you may be gone to that trouble, because of some kind of third party disturbance over you in your life. So I think you will be understand who have been created this problem, who have been messed up, and you will be backfire to that person. Okay, now you will be have that courage, you will be bold, and you will be face that person, and that brings you the clarity now, and that brings you some kind of actions on your table, that brings you some kind of new beginnings here, because whatever the third party, you are ending that third party, you are ending that person disturbance over in your life, you are shutting them, you are cutting them off in your life, so that it brings some kind of renewal in your life. Okay, and I don't know, with the Queen of Pentacles I can see that you are waiting for something over your life. Could be you are waiting for some kind of person communications, or else you are waiting for some kind of job opportunities, you are seeking something. Yes, I can see that you are focusing on some other thing, and you are expecting that, and you are waiting for that to get, like, when I will be get this, when I will be get that kind of things I can see very clearly. So guys, when it comes to the Taurus to Capricorn for this July month, I can see that in your career life I can see some kind of improvement will be there. So in your love life I can see that still there will be some kind of stuck situation will be there. I don't see some kind of immediate positive changes will be there in your love life. Overall I can see some kind of clarity, some kind of vision you will be get, and right now I can see that you guys will be focused on your career, you guys will be success on that, even though you are facing some kind of troubles over there in your career as well by other person. That is nothing to be get fear, because I can see some kind of positive new beginnings is coming on your way, and you are gaining your power, you will be more powerful, you will be take some kind of actions. If at all any third party disturbance will be there, you will be take some kind of action. With the Son of Swords I can see that again there is some kind of positive vibe, even though there is a dark kind of situation is happening in your life, but you are trying to be focused, you are trying to be gain your power, and you are focusing on it, and you are instantly you are taking some kind of actions. I can say that very courageously, I can very very courageous and very bold, you are taking some kind of action. That is a very good thing, by the way. Overall I can see that you are cutting your enemy, in this month, and you will be get some kind of peace, you will be get some kind of improvement in your financial wise. But in your love life I can't able to sure about it that you will be get some kind of progress, because I can see again the stuck energy is there, again the waiting game is there. You will be wait for your person, like for their call or text messages, or I can see only the waiting game in your love life. Okay, and that makes you sad. That's the energy I can see. But it is good month for the career. I can promise you that it could be a good month for your career life. Some kind of improvement will definitely there. Okay, so these are the things I can see in your July month for the earth element. So guys, I hope this could be resonate with you. If it could be resonate with you, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And yeah, this is a new channel as well, so please subscribe and please give your support. You can able to see like zodiac sign reading for all the 12 zodiac sign monthly predictions, like a career predictions and the love life prediction. Everything will be in this channel, so please give your support. Thank you so much guys. See you in the next reading. Until that, love you all. Take care. Bye bye.